Hello everyone, welcome to part 127 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.7 and 5.8, and we will continue working on the currency converter. The currency converter we have started in last few videos, and you have seen that we able to create that currency converter part in admin panel, and we able to create that view edit kind of add view edit kind of functionality in admin panel. Okay, now you can able to add any currencies from add currency form in admin panel, and you can able to edit and view as well. Okay, so now this time we are going to start working on the at the front end detail delete functionality we will do later on, and it will take a few minutes only, but we will see later on. But now we can going to show currencies at detail page. Okay, so open any detail page, and after reaching a detail page, here we are going to show the other currencies as well, like we are showing here USD, GBP, euro, and we can show these currencies here as well as somewhere after this one we can show. Okay, so let's do this thing. Okay, so first of all, we are going to create one function that we will use at front end everywhere, like getCurrencyRates. Okay, so that it will be easier for us to get the currency, means different currencies wherever we want. And this function is based on these three currencies. We are going to take these three currencies from this function, and if you want to take more, then you can, it's up to you. If you want to add more, then you can add more details in your function. Okay, so let's start working on this one. Okay, so I am going to create this function in model this time, not in controller, but in product model. Okay, so let's create one function in product model. I'm going to create here because we have created many functions at controller, and now we are going to create function at model also. And if you will search on that, you are going to learn that we need to make more functions at model. Our model can be a bit heavier than the controller. Controller must be light, and model can be a bit heavier. Means it's a kind of workload that we are going to do. We need to use model as well wherever we can use. Okay, so let's create one model function here, and that is getCurrencyRates. Okay, so I'm going to create this function, public static function. Okay, and after that getCurrencyRates. Okay, like this. Okay, so that we can get all the rates together. Okay, so after that I'm going to have the dollar price. Okay, because price we are going to send here in INR, or after sending price in INR we are going to get the price in USD, GBP, and euro. Okay, so first of all I'm going to add that variable get currencies. Okay, and here from currency function I am going to get the currencies, all the currencies, and yeah, I can directly get all the currencies here like this. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, make sure that status must be one also. Okay, we can add here status must be one. Okay, for the currency, and make sure you have put the status as one. Okay, so that anytime you can disable any currency. Okay, so now here we are going to add that for each loop. Okay, for each loop, for each loop I am going to add this one, get currencies. Okay, and here I am going to add that dollar currency. Okay, so here I am going to fetch the value in different rate. Okay, so first of all I am going to fetch the USD rate. and I will add here condition, manual condition. I'm going to add like dollar currency. Okay, here dollar currency. Here I'm going to take currency code. Here I'm going to open that function that we have added. Sorry, that table we have added, so that we will come to know that which currencies we have added and which are the columns. Okay, so first of all we are going to take USD. Okay, first of all we are going to take this 69 for USD, and 69 into 69 divided by that uh, 69 divided by that price, means that price that is coming, like this 800 divided by 69. Okay, and that will be the price in USD. Okay, see here, this is the price in INR. Okay, and now we will check the currency here, like USD. Okay, fine, INR to USD. Okay, and now you can check INR to USD, it's 0.014. Now I am going to put here 800, and you are going to get 11.57. So the formula behind this one is we are going to calculate, okay, here, so that we can do in PHP as well. Here I am going to get that value 800 INR, means 800. Okay, and what is the rate of 1 INR? It is like into 0.14, like into point 0.14, and then you will get it like 11.2. That is perfect. Okay, so another way to do is we can simply get the price 800, and here I am going to means USD to INR, USD to INR, and what is the price here? And you are going to get 69.17. I'm going to take 69, 800 divided by 69. Okay, and also you will get here 11.59, the same thing that we are getting earlier. Okay, so here we can do like this, and here first of all we are going to check the currency code. Okay, and here currency code equal to USD. Okay, and I can take this dollar USD rate like this. Okay, and then I am going to round off this value, and dollar price divided by this currency exchange, means dollar currency, and after that exchange rate. Okay, like this. Okay, and this will come as USD rate. Okay, so I'm going to repeat same thing for GBP and same thing for euro. Okay, and here I'm going to write GBP. Okay, and I'm going to make it GBP rate. Okay, and that is fine. And here I'm going to take EUR. Okay, and here I'm going to take rate like EUR underscore rate. Okay, so now that is fine, and now our for each loop ends here, and after that we need to return. But now we are going to make first array, one currencies array. We are going to make currencies ARR. Okay, and in which we are going to make that array. We are going to add all currencies. Okay, one by one. Okay, first of all we are going to get that USD rate here. Going to make it like this, dollar USD rate. Okay, and after that GBP rate, GBP underscore rate. Okay, this one dollar GBP score rate like this. Okay, and after this we are going to take that EUR rate. Okay, EUR underscore rate, and this one also we are going to add value of this one EUR underscore rate. Okay, like this, and now this one we are going to return. Okay, so now getCurrencyRates function is ready. Now we are going to update the detail page. Okay, we are going to show our currencies, and we are going to show. First of all, we will add our product model here. Okay, here we can straight away add the product model. Okay, and like this. Okay, we have added the product model, and here after this price, main price. Okay, this one we are going to add that other currencies. Okay, and here in after this one we are going to show another currencies as well. Okay, so first of all we are going to call that rates. Okay, for that we are going to do that same thing, get currency rates, and going to call that function from product model that we have just created in our last step, get currency rates. Okay, and here we are going to set the price so that it can exchange into various currencies and return us back. Okay, so it will return us back in various currencies, and then we are going to display to various currencies. Here I'm going to add one break, and after that I'm going to display in various currencies. Okay, I'm going to add one s2 tag. Okay, and here I'm going to display, first of all I'm going to display USD. Okay, and then this one get currency rate, and there we have already seen that we have sent those in array USD underscore rate. Okay, and I'm going to check that whether it is coming fine or not. Okay, so let's see whether USD rate is coming fine or not, and you can able to see that USD 11.59 that we have calculated, and that is something same. Okay, I'm going to put here okay, going to reverse once again. There is no command to reverse INR to USD, and I am going to put here 800, and you are going to see 11.57, and here 11.59. This is means that much difference is normal. That is not an issue because we have added that currency not exactly same like it is happening here 69 per something. We have added like 69 only, so that's why the difference of marginal difference, that is fine. Okay, 11.59 USD is coming, and in the same way we are going to get the other currencies as well. Okay, well, I'm going to show, but this thing we are managing manually. You need to update the currency from admin panel from time to time, but in future we are going to do that third party, that paid service or that free service from where you no need to update the currencies from the admin panel. Okay, so here GBP. Okay, GBP as well, and we are going to get the GBP rate, and euro rate we can also get EUR, and here as well. Okay, so let's get all the three currencies. You are going to see all the three currencies here, and that is working fine. 11.59 for USD, and for GBP 8.89, and for euro 10.26. Okay, so like this we can show the currencies of the product means so that the users from America, users from England, users from European countries can come to know the price of the product if your website is global. Okay, so you can do show currencies in such a way. But we are not end up with this thing here. We need to see that after selecting the various sizes, like if you show up this product does not have any side, we will open some product that is having some kind of sizes. Like I'm going to see this one. If this product is having some sizes, this product is also not having any sizes. And let's open some product that is having sizes. And what else? Okay, so I'm going to add this product we have added later on, I think. This product was some, no, still not having. Whew, this is really, oh no. Yeah, now this product is having site, and you can able to see that the we need to show the currencies for our sizes as well. Okay, but here we are not showing currencies for the other sizes. Okay, and I'm going to open product with two of the sizes. Okay, so that we can get both the sizes. And here, yeah, here this is the product that we are having small for 500 and medium for 1000, but here we are not showing the currencies. We need to do update in ajax so that we can show the various currencies whenever we change the product size as well. Okay, so now this time we need to update that ajax function as well. Okay, so let's do that as well. Okay, so now uh, first of all we need to check out that from where we are changing this one. So for that we are going to check okay, so get price, you can see able to see that span id get price, and we are updating from get price, and this one must be in main.js file. Okay, so because main.js file we are doing everything. Here you can see get price, and we are calling this url get product price. Okay, and you can go in web.php file and you can check get product price here, and here from here you can get that get product price function. Okay, and you just need to go in product controller and you can see get product price function, and here we need to update with other currencies as well. Right now we are just getting the main price, okay, that is in INR, but we are going to get other prices as well. So here we are going to update get product price function. Okay, so first of all we are going to call that function again that we have made in our product model. Here also we are going to call that function because we want all the prices, all the currencies. Okay, so let's call this function here, and we are going to send this price, this main price, this one. Okay, so that we can get other currencies as well. Okay, so let's do this thing, and uh, yeah, here first of all I'm going to get that function get currency rates. Okay, okay, and here we are going to call that function again get currency rates. Okay, and here we are going to send this price. Okay, and like this. Okay, and after sending this price, now we are returning the various currencies together, so we need to include this one after this. Okay, so that we can combine with various countries all together, and here we are going to combine this with various currencies. Okay, like this. First of all I'm going to combine with USD rate uh, that we are getting in array. You already know that we have added there in our detail page. Okay, and after USD rate, then we are going to attach that GBP rate. Okay, so for GBP rate as well, we need to add something, this one same other like this, okay, and here also, okay. So first USD rate, and after that GBP rate, okay, GBP rate, and after that euro rate, EUR, okay, and after that we are going not require this one, we can end it like this, okay. And this one we are sending in main.js, okay. So here we need to update in main.js our jQuery. We need to update, and we need to show here we are getting only INR. But here we can see that we are separating with we are splitting with hyphen all the currencies, so we need to split with hyphen uh, this one. First we are splitting with hash, and after that we are splitting with hyphen, okay. So we can do like this, and ARR1, and we are going to uh, do with like ARR0 in gives element we are getting, and we are going to split this one with hyphen this time, because we are separating the different currencies with hyphen, okay. And after that this one is fine, and after that we are going to combine this one with other currencies plus, okay. And here we are going to add one break, because we want to show it after that, and we will start s2 tag, because we are starting s2 tag there also. First of all, we are going to show USD currency, and for that we need to add that ARR1, yeah, and that is USD currency is coming in the array value of uh, 0, okay. So 0, okay, and after that, and we're going to see 10, fine, that is okay. And after that we are going to add plus, okay. And once again we need to do this repeat again like this, okay, 2 times, okay. And now we are going to show GBP, and here it will come like 1, and here we are going to show EUR, but here we are not required as 2 times, we can simply close. And after that we are going to add 2 here, and after that also we need to add plus to close that s2 tag as well, okay. So now we can check that whether it is coming fine or not. I am not sure. Now I am going to change the currency, and you can able to see that there is some issue, so that it is not changing. We need to check what issue is coming here, why it is not working fine, and I'm going to check small, okay. And here I'm not sure that where the issue is coming. It is seems to be hidden somewhere. Also, we are going to check our code once again. I'm going to open that Firefox, and I'm going to display this link there. and here I'm going to debug the issue. I'm going to change to small. Like it stops working. Okay. So let's see that where the issue is coming. Error 1 and error 0 split. Okay, we are splitting this array here. Okay, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, now I'm going to alert this one that what is coming and what is the issue. Okay, return false. I'm going to do. You can do like this if any time you are having issue also, because issue can come anywhere. We can't stop issues will surely come, but we need to resolve. We don't have any other way. We need to debug, we need to identify the issue, and we need to resolve issue ourselves, because uh, others might can't able to help because they don't know where we get stuck. Okay, so if I'm clicking on this one, you are able to see that we are getting all 500, 7.25, 5.56, and 6.41. Okay, we are getting all the prices together, and then why we are not getting, and I'm going to check once again that product controller, and here I'm checking that we are getting all the prices with the comma. Okay, that is fine. Then why we are not getting USD rate? Okay, first one we will not give. Okay, start from the second one, then all three prices are fine. Okay, so what we are going to do, and our script. Okay, so I'm going to split with comma first of all. Okay, and after that I'm going to see. Okay, let's split this one. Okay, we are getting with comma, and after that 7.25, 5.56, and 6.41, and this one split with hyphen one. And okay, we can do one thing here. I'm going to alert this AR1 one. Okay, so let's see that what it will come here. So small, and I'm going to check that what it will come here. It will take few minutes. Small, medium. Okay, now it is coming fine. See, yeah, fine. Okay, so now it is all clear, and I'm going to check that where is the issue, and here it's going to show that first one. Okay, because 0 is for INR, 2 and then 3. Okay, and any other mistake, we are starting and closing, starting and closing, starting and closing, starting and closing. What is this? Okay, here we have forgot, and everything seems to be fine. And now we are going to check again, and you'll see, and I'm going to select that small, and you can able to see that we have got it. Okay, yeah, so this one is not required, and now we are getting the old prices, but this one, now we are going to check once again, and we'll see, but this time it is updating. The our prices are updating this time, small, and yeah, it is updating, but here you can see that it is updating, but we will not show like this. And why it is adding to that main thing that we need to see, uh, that why it is adding, and here we need to check once again that why it is adding to the main price, and to this one complete needs to be this one hyphen, and this one needs to be either 1000 only, and either 1000 and hyphen complete needs to be updated. And okay, I'm going to see why it is happening. And INR, this one break, and IARR 0. Okay, we are going to check what is coming in INR 0, because why it is coming so many. So I'm going to allow this time ARR 0, that why all is coming in this one, and return false. We need to debug and resolve the issues like this. Okay, so I'm going to check here, and you are going to check. Sorry, it is not loaded yet. And see here, everything is coming, so that's why issue is coming. So okay, fine. Here we are not going to show this one. Here as well we are going to show that one. Okay, so now it is all over, and it seems to be fine this time. And I'm going to check small, and you are going to see that price will update for small. Sorry, script loaded yet. No, yeah, now it is working fine. You can see for 500 and all the conversions of 500, and now all the conversions of 1000. Okay, you can be able to see that 1000 is 14.49. It is close to 14.49. Okay, so 1000, see, you can see 14.46. It is close to that because we have set up that currency only. That's why it is coming like this. Okay, so now we can able to convert all the currencies like this in ajax as well. Okay, so you can also do this at your end. So that's all for now. In next video we are going to show our currencies in our card and order view page as well, because we need to show that converter currencies here as well for the total. Because, and also we are going to show somewhere in tooltips, like I am going to bring here, it will display somewhere here with bootstrap tooltip we are going to do, and we are going to learn new thing as well. And also we are going to show at order view page. Okay, and also delete functionality we are going to do in next video. Okay then, have a nice time. Goodbye.